It's Drea here. Oh my goodness, long time no see. Okay, so I took a much needed break, but I am back with yet another wig review. Okay, and this one is going to be from Wicca Wigs, yay! I actually have so many units from this vendor, it's insane. I feel like when I find a customer friendly, trustworthy, no BS vendor, I tend to stick to them. Wicca Wigs just so happens to be that company for me. So overall, you could say I'm a fan. Okay, so on to the unboxing. So I really appreciate the effort they put into making sure the package is sustainable. Inside we have a wig cap. We got some free lashes. They gave me a comb for parting. A lot of vendors do this. And I also got this really cute hair clip and it says star. Very cute, love it. Okay, and lastly we have the wig. Oh, I gotta back up because y'all can't even see this. This is a 28-inch 4x4 closure 200 density wig. It comes with 2 teeth on the side, 1 in the back, and then I have these adjustable clips to work with as well. The back, I'm gonna have to cut that when I cut the front. And this is what the hairline looks like. It's already pre-plucked. It looks pretty natural. Yes, this is what it looks like all around. So I don't have to do that much plucking. It even has like a little bit of baby hairs coming down too. So we don't have to struggle with cutting those. Okay, I'm gonna take this one off and put this one on. Actually, fun fact that nobody asked for, this one is actually from Wicca Wigs too. I had to order a second one last year, but I believe it's discontinued. I scoured the entire site, I could not find it. If they do restock this one, I will probably be the first person to buy it because I am obsessed. It's probably my favorite unit that I own. It's definitely a conversation starter and I enjoy the psychotic looks I get when I wear it. It's very me. It's very me. Wow. Okay, first impressions. She's dark, she's long, she's moody. I'm gonna cut this and be right back. See, this is the part that I actually hate because, no, I hate swooping the baby hairs and you guys will see in a second why. I'm really trying my hardest to get this like exactly like my hairline. Also, these shears are some BS. I'm just gonna do this off camera. But yeah, so far this is what the hairline is looking like without me doing anything. I just have to cut this a little bit and then cut the rest of this and I'll be right back. So far, I'm loving how lightweight and like how much body this thing has. Like, it's so lightweight. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm very. Should I do a side part or a middle part? I think I'm gonna do a side part. Actually, no. I want to do a middle part. Do I want to do a middle part? This is what a middle part will look like. I still have to pluck to make it more like, you know, but so far you can see. What should I do? I think I'm gonna do a side part. It's very millennial of me. Okay, so I'm just plucking a tiny bit here to make it look more natural. Just plucking the baby hair so that it'll look a little more natural. Okay, so my part is pretty much finished. Now I'm gonna move on to the edges. God help me. For my edges, I'm gonna use a combination of Got To Be glue spray and then the little like gel. So like I was saying before, I really appreciate when this comes with a wig because I only have to trim it. I only have to do the bare minimum, and that is what we like in a wig. That is what we stand. So far, so good. Please. I can never get the baby hairs right. Am I supposed to use, so first of all, this is the little brush that I'm using. I got this from a local beauty supply. It's cute, right? Like little leopard print. Am I supposed to use the comb side or the brush side, because maybe I'm using the wrong side. This one. Okay, I feel like I tried my best with this one. I'm also really feeling this side part. I'm gonna have to take a video outside and show you guys what this hair looks like, because it's just not gonna reach. I'm gonna do a couple passes through this hair just because I think I want it bone straight, like straight. Overall, I give this hair a 10. It's definitely a vibe. It's simple, it's sleek. It's a new look. Like, not a new look, but like a chic look. This was super easy for me to install. I love the luster, I love the length. It has a lot of body as well, and it looks very natural. This was super easy to install. I'm gonna link the website down below so you guys can shop there. It's crazy because they're always having like sales and discounts, and it doesn't even have to be a holiday. Like, you can look on there any day and I guarantee you'll probably find some sort of discount. Okay, so that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know down below what you guys want to see in the future, and I will see you next time. Bye!